What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Butter the Great. In this video, we're going over those TRX trucks that made it down the line yesterday. We're going over the colors, the builds, addressing any more rumors, that email that FCA sent out to everybody but me, probably because I made fun of them with that failure to communicate. I'm sorry, not sorry. I just want my truck, and enough of this fluff. Let's get into the stuff. So just like the last video from yesterday, I'm gonna put all the builds in the TRX tracker. Now all you gotta do is go to the TRX forums, look at the very top, you'll see TRX build tracker, and you can pull up all this information yourself. Everything's updated every single day. So just like in yesterday's video, we're not gonna pay close attention to these states. These are just general areas where these trucks are gonna go to. That does not mean they're gonna be in that exact state. But we are gonna drop down to the bottom and check out the colors. Now they got 12 diamond blacks and we got 1 anvil. So that's a charity truck that FCA gonna auction off sometime next year. So FCA, I don't understand why y'all guys painted that 1 anvil truck. You literally had the color in the paint gun, so you could have made 6 more. That way you can actually have a launch edition. So FCA, whatever, just go ahead and change our names from FCA to FCS. Failed common sense. I ain't gonna never see my truck. We're gonna take a look at these packages and see what they look like. We got a couple TR1s. Majority of these trucks got TR2s. 8 of them got carbon fiber, so it looks like we're pretty good on carbon fiber. And we're showing high numbers on the technology, the advanced, the bed utility, the trailer group. If you got engine block heater, you might be in trouble because there's only one of y'all. And so if we take a look at the exterior options, these trucks got graphics, these trucks got bead locks. We're looking good there, no problems. And we're gonna come over to the interiors and we're gonna see Harman, some sunroofs, some red interiors. We're looking all good there. Should be no issues holding up production. And we should find out about some more trucks coming out of the line today. So subscribe to the channel, join the Facebook group, join the Ram TRX forum, and you'll get the latest news before everyone else will give it to you. So excluding that 1 anvil truck, they made 6 diamond blacks the first day, they made 6 the next day, so they might make 6 today. I'm more interested in the number 6 than anything else because if they keep the same trend of 6 per day, we can kind of figure out how many trucks are gonna come out before New Year's. If you look at the screenshot right here, the last day of production is gonna be the 23rd until they come back the following week on the 28th, 29th, and the 30th. And hopefully 6 more trucks get built because that'll be 18 trucks in 3 days. Next week's gonna be another 3-day schedule. That'll be another 18 trucks, that's 36 trucks. And when they come back on the 28th, that's another 3-day schedule. If they make 6 per day, that could be 54 total trucks before New Year's. So stay tuned. I hope you guys get lucky on the TRX sweepstakes. I probably won't. I'll probably get a call from my dealer saying failure to communicate, cancel my order because I've been talking too much about them online. And everyone who has a build date, like the actual build date, not that email that FCA sent everybody to tell your truck ain't showing the January, February, and March. The actual build date, leave me a comment down below your color and your build date. I don't need your VIN number, your state it's coming from, what day you order, your pet frog's name, just the color and the date. That way, since they're painting these trucks in batches, if we know flame red is gonna get painted next Monday, everyone who has flame red that knows it's gonna be built in January, they know they got a pretty good chance then to get their truck built. Yeah, so leave me a comment down below. Help me, help everybody else, because even me, I have no idea when my truck is coming. I don't have no month, I don't have no day. It can be tomorrow, it can be in 6 months. I have no idea, but at least I know if a granite crystal is getting made, I have a pretty good shot. My dealer had told me yesterday that one of those black trucks actually was one of his orders, so I don't gotta worry about the whole dealer rumor that some are higher than the others, but I guess that doesn't apply to me because that truck is built and I'm not out of D status. So who knows how this whole crazy dealer order getting made stuff works. Whatever, just give me my truck, please. I'll stop calling you failure to communicate, I promise. Not sorry. And that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Bring you the latest TRX news. Now before I go, I'm gonna leave it sitting right here for letting the channel trend number 3 on YouTube search for Ram TRX content. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next update. Hopefully I have a build date. And until then, I'm gonna crawl underneath this accomplishment. So thank you guys again.